Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I have you how to do group and ungroup feature in each. Okay, so now you look on the screen. I have a sheet calculator formation conversion. Okay, so now you can group row. Okay, so select row you want to group. Okay, select and then click here data and click select group feature. Okay, now you click here close group, open group, close group, open group. Okay, so you change icon on top. You click here, tick show, tick no select your symbol row below detail. Okay, so okay, icon top. Okay, click here, close group, open group. Okay, now you want to group a column. You select this and group column B, E, F. Okay, select and then group. Okay, so close group, open group, close group, open group. Okay, very easy. So if you change icon on left, you select here, stick not select some column to right detail. Okay, so I can group on left. Okay, open, close, open, close. Okay, now you use your ungroup features. You have to select ungroup column D, E, F. Select and select ungroup feature. Okay, select ungroup feature. Okay, so very easy. Now and then ungroup row 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, select and group. Okay, very easy. So very easy. Now today video the end here. So if you feel this video helpful to you, you can please subscribe, like, and to share to everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much.